Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Mailchimp to create a branded email header step by step clearly. Open Mailchimp and log into your account. Navigate to the Campaigns section on the dashboard. Select Email Templates from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Template button. Choose a layout for your email header. Select a custom option for full design flexibility. In the design editor, locate the header section of your template. Click on the header zone to edit the content. Upload your logo by selecting the image block. Drag the image block into the header area. Click Browse to upload an image from your computer. Once uploaded, adjust the size as needed. Add a text block for your email's headline. Click on the text block and drag it to the header area. Edit the text to reflect your brand's message. Customize the font style, size, and color in the text settings. Consider adding social media icons in the header for branding consistency. Drag the social follow block into your header. Link your social media accounts by entering the URLs. Adjust the layout of the header to ensure balance and aesthetics. Preview your email header by clicking the Preview button. Make any final adjustments to the design. Once satisfied, click Save and Close to finalize your template. Navigate back to Campaigns to create a new email. Select your newly customized template for your email campaign. Continue designing the rest of your email content. Review your email before sending to ensure everything aligns with your brand. Finalize and schedule or send your email campaign. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.